My name is Chris with US Energy Recovery, and I'm excited to tell you about a great new offering we have in place that will allow you to do your lighting project today without having to spend any money up front. Lighting as a Service combines your energy efficient lighting project in addition to the service portion that comes with it into one contract. The Lighting as a Service model is a game changer in the way it aligns and incentivizes both service providers, us, and you, the customer, to deploy the most energy efficient lighting systems available, not only creating an immediate boost in net operating income for you, but also saving significant amounts of energy and taking a big bite at the building stock's carbon footprint. So what is Lighting as a Service? Lighting as a Service is a financing option where we start off by guaranteeing you a minimum of a 20% reduction off your energy bills. This becomes more like a subscription service for your lighting project instead of just a capital expense. US Energy Recovery will install, own, and maintains the equipment, providing a rental to you. Because this is a rental and includes your maintenance for the full term of the service project, this can now be in most cases considered an off-balance sheet transaction and just written as a monthly expense payment. There's no down payment, no money out of pocket to have your project installed. This is a 100% turnkey solution that includes project management, install, recycling of your old lighting, warranty, and maintenance for the full term of your contract. You then use a portion of your monthly energy savings to make the lease payments, creating positive cash flow from month one. So what happens at the end of the rental period? This is a question that we get asked quite often, and you'll have three options. Option one is to renew, extend your maintenance contract. You can purchase the lighting for the fair market value at that time, or you can upgrade to the latest technology. Lighting as a Service solves the problem of paying a large sum up front for your lighting retrofit. By using Lighting as a Service, you don't have to spend countless hours convincing management to up your budget so you can afford the retrofit up front. Instead, you just pay a monthly fee that's less than the amount that you're currently paying, and we handle the warranty and maintenance as well. US Energy Recovery will determine the monthly energy savings and then structure the monthly payments within that savings range and still provide you with a 20% overall energy savings each month. All of this is done with no money up front and nothing out of pocket to get started. So call your representative today to discuss Lighting as a Service, or for more information, visit us at usenergyrecovery.com.
It's a 30 or 40% increase in lighting out there. It just brightened the whole plant. Looking at your equipment, inspections of the equipment, inspections of your quality, it enhanced it all. We were able to come in and say, hey, look, that belt's got a little more wear on it than we noticed with a flashlight. You can see it now just out of natural light.